Accelerated algebra 2, start up here. It is going to be 5J. Let's see how we do with it. So we're going to be dealing with the conjugates, rationalizing denominators. Okay, so first one, you get root 12 over root 25. So you get 5 on the bottom. Top it turns into this, which can break into 2 root 3 over 5. Second problem, let's reduce it first because 3 goes into both top and bottom right now. And then let's multiply both top and bottom by root 2. This square root of 25 is 5, so you get 5 root 2 on top. Root 2, because that's a root down, root 2 is root 4, which is 2. This particular problem, let's multiply top and bottom by root 7 to root 7. Remember that root 9 is 3, so I get 3 root 7 on top. Root 7 times root 7 is root 49, which is just 7. I can reduce this before I even do anything more, which comes out to this. And you can rationalize. And again, in pre-calculus, you don't necessarily have to worry about rationalizing it. So you're going to get root 2 over root 4, which is 2. You cannot reduce inside a radical to outside. Okay, if we multiply this, that's going to be x plus 3 times x plus 3, which I'm pretty sure you're okay with this going quickly to give me that for an answer. Remember, difference of 2 squares, that's going to give me x squared minus 4 because the middle falls out. Root 6 times root 6 is root 36, which gives me just 6. This gives me root 4b squared. The square root of that is 2b. Now we want to rationalize the denominator. So I'm going to multiply top and bottom. I put the bottom in parentheses. I'm going to multiply top and bottom by something called the conjugate. It's one sign different. Same binomial, one sign different. So I'm going to distribute the 3. So I'm going to get 3, or excuse me. That's 6 minus 3 root 5 over, because I'm multiplying the conjugate, that's going to give me 4 minus root 25. Root 25 is 5. Because the middle terms fall out, so you'd have 2 root 5 minus 2 root 5. So I'm going to get over negative 1. So this technically is the correct answer, but a lot of times we don't like leaving just a negative on the bottom, so we might switch that to this. Notice the signs both changed and no longer have a denominator. Makes it a little neater. Alright, let's see. Conjugates binomial expression that is exactly the same terms but is added and one is subtracted. Okay. So below, these are both conjugates of each other. Okay, same binomial, one sign different. So find the conjugates. So that's 7 plus root a. This is 4 root 3 plus 5. That's 1 minus root 6. And this last one is 9 minus 2 root 3. So when it happens when you multiply them together, the middle terms fall out. They cancel out. Okay. So again, I'll put that in parentheses. I'm going to get 3 minus root 2. 3 minus root 2. So on top, you're going to get 30 minus 10 root 2. On bottom, because the middle terms fall out, I'm going to get 9 minus root 4. Root 4 is 2, so I get 9 minus 2, that's 7. So this is our answer. Again, on this one, we're going to multiply top and bottom by the conjugate, so one sign difference. Distribute here and here. So I get 12 plus 24 root 5. If I do the multiply the bottom, I'm going to get 4 minus 16 root 25. Root 25 is 5. So that's going to give me 4 minus 80. 4 minus 80 is negative 76. And on this one, we actually can reduce all of it. Let's see. 4 goes into everything. 4 goes into all of my outside terms. So it's going to give me 3 plus 6 root 5 over negative, what do we do, 3? 4. 4 goes into 76 once, 16 times. So that answer looks fine. You can keep the negative downstairs if you wanted to. Number 15, the conjugate of the bottom is going to give me 4 plus root 5. And then multiply on top 4 plus root 5. So on top, when I distribute the root 10, I'm going to get 4 root 10 plus root 50. Notice I multiplied inside and inside. On bottom, that's going to give me 16 minus root 25. Again, the middle terms fall out. It's going to give me 25 times 2. So that's going to give me 4 root 10 plus 5 root 2 over 16 minus that, so over 11. There's our answer. On this one, put it in parentheses, multiply about top and bottom by the conjugate. On top, that's going to give me 5 root 15 minus root 45 is 3 times 15. On bottom, I'm going to get 5 minus root 9. So 45 will break down to 9 and 5. 15 won't break down to any perfect squares, so we're going to keep it as 15. So this is going to give me 3 root 5. And then 5 minus 3 is 2. Problem's done. Okay, we're going to solve it. So I'm going to square both sides. So I get x equals 49. This one I would divide each side by -3 first. So x squared is equal to 7. Root, x equals plus or minus root 7. There always has to be 2 when you take the square root of both sides. If I square both sides here, I'm going to get x equals 121. Multiply both sides by 4. What is 4 times 27? Do that in my head real quick. 28 to 8, that's 8, 10, 108. Divided by 3. X squared, so 3 goes into 108 how many times? It's 3, it's 9, that's 36 times. Take the root of both sides. Don't forget the plus minus. So I get x equals plus or minus 6. 2 answers. Okay, that's all we got for you today, friends. Have a great day. Take care of one another.